guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say it is pouring outside, so if you guys can hear the rain, I apologize. I cannot help that. I'm so sorry, but today we're gonna be playing around with the new ColourPop jewel collection. These are 6 new little jewel tone quads, and I've mentioned this before. I really like the packaging of these little quads. So these already have launched. I am a little late on this. I'm so sorry, but these launched today when I'm filming this, so hopefully I'll get this up tomorrow. These are $9 each. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the ColourPop website. So that is this collection. Hopefully this video isn't too long since it is just 6 little quads. So the first one that we have is an Emerald Away, and this is actually the one that I have on right now. This one is just some emerald jewel tones, and each quad has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes in them. So this is what the emerald one looks like. Next one in here that we have is Gotta Agate. I don't know how you say that, but this one is really pretty. This one, it has some purple tones in here. Next one is really ruby, and this one has some ruby tones in here. I also really like the packaging on each box as well. They all have like the little jewels on them. So this is the ruby one. Then we have Set on Sapphire, and I love this one so much. I think the shimmers in here are really pretty, and I like the packaging. And this color, like blue, is just really different. I don't see a lot of these colors in palettes too often, so I really like this one a lot. We have Citrine, You and Me. This one has some warmer tone neutrals in here, some golds, and yeah, I like the packaging on the box of this one a lot. Lastly, we have All That Topaz, and this one is probably like the most wearable, most neutral one. It still has some warmer tones in here, like a nice warm gold shimmer. But yeah, so this one is All That Topaz. Those are the 6 quads, and like I said, they are $9 each. These did launch already, so I will link all of them down below for you. I'll put my code down below for you guys as well. If you guys wanted to use it, you don't have to, but if you do, I really appreciate it. But yeah, so this is the look that I came up with today using one of the palettes from this new jewel tone collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on these new little quads, then just keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and use one of the new little palettes. I'm gonna use the an Emerald Away one just because I really like these color greens. So I'm gonna start off with I mean there's 2 mattes and 2 shimmers in here. Start off with this one first. And I'm just putting this in my crease. I love this color green, like it's so pretty. Everything is blending out fine. I'm not having any issues with it. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here and just put this in the outer corner. Taking that shade just a little bit. I don't want to do a super dark green look right now, but I really like these colors a lot. And I'm just keeping this like by the lash line and then going up into the outer corner. Just want to go back with this shade that we were using right now to just blend that all out. My lid, I am going to go into this shade, I think, out of the 2 shimmers. And yeah, ooh, that color is really pretty. Putting this towards the front, I might take a little bit of this one towards maybe like the middle, but isn't even like wet or anything either. Okay, so my camera died, so I just went ahead and did my foundation, everything in the meantime, but I didn't do anything else to the eyes, and I like the way that this looks. It's not, I just did like a little bit of that dark shadow right here, and I love the way that that looks. So for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the same matte shades again. Like there's only 4 shadows in here, so I mean, you know, I'm doing with what I can. Just taking this lighter shade along the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of that darker shade as well and just put that like on the outer half. And as always, connecting that to the top up here. I am going to take a little bit of that shade that I put on the lid in my inner corner as well. I really love that shimmer. I really like this little palette in general, but yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and just put on some lashes really quick, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on these little palettes. So BRB. Okay, so this is the finished look. In case you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I have the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in Fenty Glow. And yeah, I really like how this look turned out. It matches my sweater. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on these little quads. So speaking first about the one that I literally just used, I really do like this. I love green eyeshadow in general. I feel like it looks really pretty on brown eyes, and I love wearing green shadows, so I was immediately drawn to this one, like, when I first saw it. Are there probably like these shades in some other ColourPop palettes? Yes, probably. The one I can think of maybe is the closest would be the Child palette from the Mandalorian one. But I do think that these greens are different. They're like a little bit more on the, like, I would say like the Child one is a little bit more olive, whereas this one has like more of a, almost like a blue undertone, like a blue-green kind of color, which I do think it is different, and I like the way that I just like these little quads. I just feel like they work better for my lifestyle. It's just a little bit easier just to grab something like this. I already have all the shades that I need in this, and you guys watch my tutorials often. I don't ever use more than like 3 to 4 eyeshadows anyway, so something like this is honestly perfect for me. I also really like the purple one and the ruby one as well as the blue one. The ones that I don't really care for are the 2 like neutral ones, just because ColourPop has already quads like that. But I do like these ones. I do think my favorite one is definitely the one that I used today, which is the green one, and I do really like this one as well, just because I love these colors. I was seeing some comparisons to the Animal Crossing ones, but I do think that these are different. This one's more like on the warmer side of the purple spectrum, whereas the one from the Animal Crossing one was a different color purple. I do like the sapphire one a lot as well. I like these color blues, which I don't really see like this color blue very often, so I like that, and I like the shimmers in here. I also like that there are 2 shimmers and 2 mattes in each palette as well. The ones that I think are probably unnecessary are the like 2 warm tone neutral ones, but I think they could have probably picked other shades for like a jewel tone collection, you know. But I really like the ones that are a little bit different, specifically the ones that I mentioned, but I do think this one is my favorite. They performed really well. I really like this eye look. I think that, you know, it did what it had to do, and I like it. I think if you like those colors of certain ones, and I definitely would say pick them up. I love the quads, and I like them in this like acrylic packaging. I like the way that they like snap close. I've mentioned it before in other quad videos, but I like this packaging a lot. So that is my thoughts on these little palettes. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're gonna pick any of these up. Did you pick some up already? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.